Hey you probably made it to this video because you're looking for ways to make an income from home, or specifically, you might be looking for ways to make an income in the travel agency business or as a mortgage loan officer from home. So today's video, I want to focus on making an income from home as a mortgage loan officer, and watch this video until the end because two people I personally know made 5 figures on their very first check, and that was with no mortgage loan officer experience. Stay tuned. First, let's explore why making an income from home as a mortgage loan officer is important in 2024. All right. So the first reason it is important to make money from home is because, let me tell you, the real estate market, the whole finance, mortgage, realtor, that stuff is constantly changing. Always changing. So you want to be able to quickly adapt and be able to switch things up right from the comfort of your home. All right, let me give you an example. Just the other day, I saw a statistic that stated 90% of realtors are future Uber drivers. The real estate industry has always been known as professionals, dress up, wear your suit. It was like a professional thing. So that's all I got to say about that. Now, another reason it's important to work from home as a mortgage loan officer instead of working for a larger company, sitting in their office for 8 hours and everything like that, is that you get more time with family, right? So working from home, it allows for flexibility, right? Think about it. If you work for one of the big companies, the Bicken loans and, stuff like that, you are going to spend 2 hours a day getting there and getting back home. You're going to spend 8 hours minimum sitting in the cubicle. And then you might have 5 to 6 hours left after you get 8 hours of sleep, 5 or 6 hours left for dinner and to spend time with family. So, considering remote mortgage loan officer opportunities is definitely something that should be considered in 2024. Now, before I get to my last reason and to tell you about an amazing opportunity to work from home as a mortgage loan officer, I just want to say, hi, I'm Katina Willis, and my background is 20 years in real estate as an investor and as a real estate broker. So in 2021, that is when I got and transition into the mortgage loan industry. And it has been a wild roller coaster ride. But finally, I got the perfect match for myself. And I feel like I'm in the right place and I am happy. And that is why I can't wait to share the opportunity with you. Now, my third and final reason that it's important to become a mortgage loan officer and start working from home is that you can extremely reduce overhead costs. Now, I have had conversations recently with a lot of mortgage brokers who have like their own mortgage brokerage. Now, that is the route that I took in 2022. And let me just tell you, my head was banging from all of the expenses. I'm talking about office, you got to get a commercial office space. You've got a lot of continuing education to do. You've got to take exams. And now the Con Ed is every single year. You got to pay for that. You got to pay for your exam. You got to pay for study tools for the exam. Just so many things that needed to be done. And then if you don't even close any loans on a certain month, you got to send these detailed reports over to NMLS. It was a mess. But that leads me to the opportunity that I want to tell you about today. Before I get to that, press that like button, y'all. Press that like button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Psst, real quick, I'm about to give you a sneak peek inside of the platform. All right, check this out. As soon as you get logged in, you get access to credit tools, AI credit restoration, the MLO program, health insurance, student loan debt solutions. This is crazy. Now check this out. All of this right here are different training modules. Now, and let me just say, this one is my favorite. It's self-employed borrowers. And that is because a lot of my supporters are real estate investors and they own logistics companies and trucking companies. But we have all this MLO education. You got how to calculate income modules. There's so much in here. This is truly the fastest growing lending platform. And this is the lending platform of the future. Hey, you better get on board right now. Now, recently I partnered with Own Easy. They have created an amazing, groundbreaking opportunity for real estate professionals. And when I tell you, we got tax professionals, realtors, loan signing agents, educators, and of course, mortgage loan officers who have worked for the big companies, right? They are flocking to this company. This company has developed an amazing product. And let me tell you, if you are familiar with eXp Realty and Keller Williams, this company is going to be the mortgage loan company of those two combined. All right. When something is groundbreaking and new, that is when you want to get started. You don't want to wait until everybody's already there because you miss the opportunity to build it, to see it grow, to just really experience it. But like I said in the beginning, two people I personally know, they have already made 5 figures within the first 30 days of their employment. Where they do that at? Where they do that at, y'all? I am just so excited. When I tell you this company is offering everything that I needed back in 2021 when I first got licensed. They have online training. You have support group. You have a loan buddy. There is nothing. I mean, and let me tell you this, though. The beauty is that you don't have to take all those continuing ed classes. You don't have to take any exams. All the training is provided to you within the platform. Now, drop a fire in the comment section if that's fire, because let me tell you, it's amazing. I am blown away. And I know that I help people with a lot of different work from home opportunities, but you are really going to see a difference in me about this one. All right, I could go on and I don't want to ramble, but making an income from home as a mortgage loan officer, there are too many advantages for me to list right now in this short video. But what I want to do is share with you a website to visit so that you can learn more. And it's mlonoexam.com. Go to that website. You can get more details, more information, and you can even get started. All right, congratulations on making it till the end of this video. Now you can get the information that you came for. All right, so how much do you get paid? As a loan originator, this is what you get paid right here. So 1 to 1.99 million, you get 100 bips, which is basically 1%. Now, when you start, you also get assigned a loan buddy. This loan buddy is going to help you with your loans because, let's face it, a lot of you might be newer, right? So we are going to have that support that I talked about. We are going to have an easy way to start earning commissions right away. And you're going to get your own website. Your website looks like this. So pretty much this is how you get started. Now, click on my link and then you will see my name right at the top. Make sure it says Katina Willis and you click sign up. Now, because you are a mortgage loan officer, you want to click the button that says get and give help right here, right? So right now, at the time of the recording of this video, because again, this is the fastest growing lending platform. All right. So you are going to become a 50-state federal mortgage loan officer. You can be a credit education advocate. You will have profit sharing type Bonuses like the ones at Keller Williams. All right. You will get commissions on agent referrals, title company opportunities, incentives, home warranty, equity in the company, so much more. Okay. For just $3.99 and this monthly fee of $89. By the time you bring in your first 5 clients, or if you bring in a partner to team up with, that $89 goes away. I have not paid that. So get started, get on board before you get left behind. See y'all at the top. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because I will continue to bring more remote and work from home business opportunities to you, especially in the finance and real estate world. I'm Katina, and until next time, happy lending from the comfort of your home.